This is the West Demerara Regional Hospital where a 6-day-old baby died on November 23rd. 16 days later, the family is still awaiting the body for burial. They are accusing the hospital staff of neglect or foul play. The newsroom spoke with the parents on Wednesday at the hospital. They have asked for their identities to be withheld. At the time, they were awaiting word on an autopsy, which was initially scheduled for Tuesday, but is yet to be done.
They tell me yesterday that the baby gonna get caught today, right? Because they sent over the baby for cut. He's supposed to cut yesterday. They say he gonna cut yesterday. When we go over, they said no postmortem doing today. Come back this morning. When we go over there this morning, they say that no filing gone over for the baby yet. Now we try call, hey, they said the file is over there. When you go, when you find out over there, no file in there. So, you know what really going on. They might tell you one thing and when you go, it's the next thing. As far as me, they kill the baby and then try cover up, what is it?
I just don't know what else to say. I'm very confused because they have us pushing around, and nobody can tell you nothing properly. When we came Friday, they told us that they can give us the baby to burial, right? And then my husband told them that he wants a postmortem done. They said they're going to get the postmortem done. And now today is a different story. From Friday to now is a different story. Every day is something new.
The parents explained that this is their second child. The first is 3 years old. The 6-day-old baby was born via cesarean section on November 17th and died on November 23rd while in the neonatal intensive care unit. The Ministry of Health on November 30th said the baby died from COVID-19, but after both parents tested negative for the disease, the parents were told by officials at the West Demerara Hospital that the test for the baby was a false positive and was given the baby for burial. But the father insisted on a postmortem and said since his request, he's being pushed around.
And first of all, before that, they said that it's a mishap. The test is a mishap. That it happened over at the lab officer. It mixed up. So baby clear. Then they won't give me the baby for bury. And I said, no. Do postmortem on the baby.
Postmortem. Because they say if COVID test is positive, he can't do postmortem. Well, now the baby ain't got postmortem, so now COVID, let me do the postmortem.
I want to know how baby died.
During the 6 days in the hospital, the mother explained that she had no sort of physical contact with her baby and nurses have been given conflicting responses about his diagnosis.
22nd November, they called me and said that baby ain't doing well, let I come, right? When I come now, they say they 50-50 chance. On the 23rd November, in the morning, they called and said that if I could come to the hospital.
No, but first, before we left, he healthy.
Yeah, he was healthy. Yeah. When I come to the hospital, there's a dead baby in front of me. But the night, I never had close contact. Only the night before he died, that was the 22nd of November, they told me to hold him close to my heart so he could feel the heartbeat. And I had him a little. This is the first time I ever hold him. Because they have a yellow line in the room, we can't go close to the baby. So I don't know really.
On the 23rd.
On the 23rd. And the 23rd, from there to now, we get to nothing, no satisfaction.
The frustrated parents are calling for a full investigation into their son's death. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Narayan Singh on Tuesday told the newsroom that as a precaution, about 12 employees who came in contact with the baby have been identified, but only some were swabbed for COVID-19 and their results came back negative. The Chief Medical Officer also debunked the claims of a false COVID-19 positive and verified that the baby, who was born with a heart defect, tested positive twice for the virus after he died. As a matter of fact, the Chief Medical Officer also noted that the baby may have contracted the dreaded virus at the West Demerara Regional Hospital. The newsroom understands that the postmortem examination will be done on Friday morning, after which a cause of death will be determined. I am Bibi Katun, reporting for the newsroom.